What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here, and this is episode 5 of the Top Step Takeover series. We are currently live trading. This is silver. I'm going to show you guys that I'm actually in this trade and not just bluff. Let me actually pull up the Tradeovate for you. I'm currently trading the Asian session. Asian session trade. I'm trading silver right now. You can see I'm in these silver shorts. This is the futures version, SI, on 2 accounts. First account, second account right over here. Same thing. We are in this trade. These are 2 different accounts right here. Right. You can see the P&L fluctuating. You can see the time changing over here. This is not back tested or anything. I'm showing you guys a completely live and active market right now. Here's the thought behind this trade. So, long story short, see price take out the high. Now I'm looking for price to take out this low down here. We took out the high. We failed to push up above the high. So now that shows that price does not want to go up, or potentially does not want to go up. Again, this is all speculation. That's all we do in the markets. We speculate and we make decisions based on our speculation. So I'm speculating that price is going to shoot down from here and take out this low. Now, I'm only looking for a 1 to 3. I'm not looking to take price all the way down here for 1 to 8. If you want to hold, you can. I don't do 1 to 8s. The max I'll go for is a 1 to 3. Unless I'm doing a flip account or something, then I'll hold it, which I haven't done in a while. But the thought behind this trade, failed to take out the high, looking to take out this low. Scale down lower time frame. We had this imbalance on the 1 hour. 1 hour imbalance from yesterday's session. Our 1 hour imbalance. We tapped into the imbalance and we broke structure to the downside. It's as simple as that. Broke structure to the downside right on this candle right here. So we're currently in this trade and we're just letting it ride. And I'm showing you guys everything live and active. Whether we win this trade, whether we lose this trade, it is what it is. I'm going to show you guys everything. Again, this is not back tested. You can see the candle moving on its own. I'm not clicking any buttons. So I'm going to update you guys. I'm not going to let it sit here, especially because it's the Asian session. I'm not just going to sit here and let the video keep recording. It's going to take hours. This video is going to be a whole hour long, 2 hours, 5 hours long in that case. I'm just going to unpause the video from time to time and show you guys the update on the trade. Again, win or lose, it is what it is. Let me show you guys once more the Tradeovate. You can see the P&L fluctuating. We're down $50 now, which is pretty much where I break even. And yeah, that is it. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Just a quick update for you guys on this trade. Price is pushing up. Still holding. Still in this trade. Let me show you guys. Bam, still in this trade. For some reason on Forex, the structure holds, but on futures it doesn't hold, which is weird. Like I still haven't gotten stopped out on Forex, but on futures, that's exactly why I put price up a little more than, like, in futures. I was initially supposed to put my stop loss here, but because I noticed this over the course of my year's trading, I decided to push my stop loss up a bit more, just to account for whatever spread that is, or I don't know what that is. I don't know what it's called. But anyways, I'm still in the trade, and just letting price do its thing. I will update you guys in a bit. I'm back with another update, guys. 30-minute candle closed pretty nicely. I would have liked for it to close bearish below here, but this is not a bad close. We pushed up, created a wick, and we closed back below here. Now, what I did do was that on futures, price kept pushing up. You can see price pushed up even more. But on Forex, it stayed, like, it never got past this high that we have our stop loss at, which is right here, which is weird. So I had to move my stop loss up. I had to move my stop loss up on the futures, which is why you see a difference. I didn't get stopped out of the trade. All I did was move my stop loss up to about here. Still the same trade, same everything. Didn't get stopped on the first one. But I did move my stop loss up because on futures it kept pushing up, but on Forex it was just floating around right here, which is, I still don't understand that. So yeah, this is the next 30-minute candle. I'm expecting this candle, or I'm hoping that this candle closes bearish and continues down. Trade's looking good. Regardless, I'm going to hold this trade. Whatever happens, happens. And I'm at least expecting this to get taken out, this low down here, to get taken out. So we will see. I'll continue to update you guys, and yeah, be back. All right, guys. So I decided to add an extra entry on price. I caught it up here on this wick just because, again, for some reason, futures is pushing up and Forex is still holding nicely. So I just decided to add another entry to the trade, and yeah. So stop loss still up here and take profit. I moved it up a little bit just because we'll be making about 1,500 bucks on this trade. And because of because of the futures, as I told you guys, we're risking about 750. Catch you guys in a sec. All right, price is looking pretty good. You guys can see the push. Like I said, I still don't get why. But on futures, I would have gotten stopped out if I didn't push my stop loss up. On Forex, price never went above that high. We had our initial stop loss over. So that's just word of advice to you and proof to you guys. Preferably you mark up your charts on Forex and follow that chart instead of the futures chart. Because I definitely would have. I'm not saying this trade is already a winning trade, but I definitely would have lost. I would have been out of this trade already. And so far, the trade's looking pretty good. So we'll see what happens. Again, I'm going to update you guys. We're projected to make about 1,500 bucks on this trade. And we will see. Catch you guys in a little bit. Back with a quick update for you guys. You guys can see this trade looking pretty good. Let's see the future side. The future side looking good as well. I'm going to show you on TradeAvate actually. Looking good. We're up about 950 per account, 1,000 per account. This trade is dropping very nicely. Dropping very nicely. Like I told you guys, I did not get stopped out on the first trade. Let me show you. This was from before. You guys can see in the last video. This was from the last video that I lost $1,000. There was nothing for today. Today is the 5th still. You can see down here, bottom right, 9:23 p.m. I'm trading Asian session. This has not reset because it is not the next day. It's not 12 o'clock. It's the next trading session, but it's not 12 o'clock. So this isn't going to reset. This is going to reset once it hits 12 o'clock. So I haven't gotten stopped out at all today. This is the same trade I took before. I just added another position on here. So just to show you guys transparency and everything. Like I showed you, I had to move my stop loss up. And yeah, looking good so far. I'll continue to update you guys. I'll show you guys a little bit of price action, but it's, like I said, it's Asian session, not much volatility going on. If this was New York, this would have already made its move, either up or down. This would have already gone by now. So just waiting here and you guys can watch and see. I'll probably show you guys the candle close. I'll show you guys in the last 3 minutes of this candle close. So I will be back in a bit. And we are back. Last 2 minutes of this candle closure. Just waiting for price to do its thing. 5-minute candle looking pretty good. It's a 15. This is a 30 right here. 30 looks amazing. Again, we never get happy because this could easily do that. Always stay patient, always stay level-headed regardless of what the market is doing. It's only when price hits TP, it's a sigh of relief. Nothing but a sigh of relief. It's not being happy. It's just having a sigh of relief, like, finally, we're out of this trade. We won this trade. And yeah, still waiting on futures to do its thing. I expected this to be somewhere down here by now. Seems like futures moves a lot slower than Forex. Moves a lot slower than Forex. 1 more minute before this candle closes. Check out some other. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold usually moves about the same as silver. There's no setup on gold. Absolutely no setup for me, at least on gold. The 1 hour is not bad, but let's see if we can find something on gold. Again, I'm just forward testing this. I'm not looking to take this trade. Not looking to take this trade, but let's just see where I would have gotten in. Definitely would have gotten in on this candle. 27 pip stop loss. If I traded on the 1 hour primarily. TP down there somewhere. Let's see where this 30-minute closes. 5 seconds. Okay, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. So let's see if this next candle could go up and then leave a wick to the upside and just shoot down. We'll see if the candle wants to do that. The next 30-minute candle wants to do that. Again, this trade was based on the 4-hour time frame. You can see the 4-hour candle looking pretty good. This is a 4-hour candle, huge wick. You probably can't see it right now, but let me show you. Look at that huge wick, 4-hour time frame, huge wick to the upside, and that's pretty much what we caught. We caught the wick on the 4-hour candle, which is beautiful, absolutely beautiful move. So I'm gonna pause this and update you guys in a bit, or maybe in 30 minutes. We'll see. Just depending on how price reacts, I'll update you guys in a bit. Another update for you guys. Price is absolutely tanking. You can see the 30-minute time frame. It's just melting. I've decided I'm gonna go break even once price crosses this line. Well, I may go break even when price crosses this line, just because I see an order block here, and especially with precious metals, price just random. So I definitely do not want to lose this trade just because I'm risking more than I intentionally wanted to. So I may just go break even there, and whatever happens from there happens. You can see beautiful, beautiful, beautiful price looking good. TP is right there as well. As you can see, projected to make about $1,500. So that is that. We will see. I'm hoping this 30-minute time frame just hits TP automatically and we're done for the day. Literally in about an hour, hour and a half, we're done. So we'll just wait and see what price does. I will update you guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. Back with an update for you guys. Close to going break even on our trade. Very close to going break even on our trade. Now, if this was New York, I wouldn't have gone break even just because I know the moves are sporadic and they need space to breathe. But this is Asian, and I don't want to take the risk of being at 1 to 2 and then, me losing this trade, God forbid. So I'm just gonna move my trade to break even once price crosses this alert line down here, which it did on futures. It hit this order block right here. So I want price to hit that alert line before I go break even. Let me actually see something. 5-minute. This is the 5-minute. Yeah, you can see it rejecting this order block, but I think it'll break through and take out this low down here. You can see how perfectly it rejected the order block that I marked up. Like I said, I think it'll break through and take out the low down here. That's what I'm anticipating for price to do, but we will see when this 30-minute closes. I'll update you guys in a bit once more. All right, let me actually show you the 15-minute. 15-minute. I want to see a nice strong 15-minute close. So far, all these candles have been closing bearish. I would like for this one to continue or even just drop completely. There's the 1 hour right here. The 1 hour is about to close in 10 minutes. So I'll be back. I am back with an update for you guys. Price is pushing. We just got the alert that we just crossed and looking great so far. Now I'm going to go break even. This should not be a losing trade at all. This should not be a losing trade whatsoever. Currently, I break even right now. We are up. You can see 1,100 per account, almost 1,200 per account. This is the total, 23 something. Price almost at TP, so we're gonna hold this and let price ride out. Once we hit TP, we should be at about 52.7 on our account. 52.7. So, like I said, I'm at break even. This is a risk-free trade. Now, I'm expecting price to hit TP. Price reverses, that'll suck, but it is what it is. We're gonna hold this trade and let it do its thing. You can see on here, we entered right here, We never exited the market. So that's how you know we never got stopped out of the trade. We entered right here, and then we entered another position on this candle somewhere over here. Almost at the wick. So that's that. And almost at TP. Almost at TP. It's just a couple ticks away. Let me see how many ticks exactly we are. About 8 ticks away from our take profit. I know you guys are saying I should probably close, but again, we're just holding. We're just following the trading plan. We're letting the trading plan work itself out. Trading plan says to hold. We are going to hold. We're at break even, like I said. So the worst that can happen is we just go back to where we were before, which it is what it is. Let's see what Forex is doing. Oops. All right, we're almost there. So I'll be back with an update once price decides to do whatever it does. So I will catch you guys in a bit. We are close to hitting TP, guys. You can see everything was live and documented. Let's go back to, all right, this is the Forex side right here. Future side right over here. Beautiful. Just a couple ticks away from TP being hit. I'm going to continue to hold until TP is actually hit. We're now 5 ticks away from TP being hit. So we'll see what price does. Again, we are at break even. So risk-free trade. Nothing to worry about at all, except maybe losing all this profit, which most likely not going to happen, but it could happen. So there's always a possibility. So we're just waiting for price to continue to look like, oh, you can see that nice drop right there. Hopefully that pushes futures down. Okay, perfect. There we go. TP just got hit, guys. You guys saw that live. TP got hit. Beautiful, beautiful execution. Look at this. Beautiful execution. And you can see right here. Let me show you everything. Let me actually exit out of this buy limit first because it's still there. Now we've taken that off. Boom, we're $200 away from passing this challenge. $200 away. If we click go today, you can see we grossed $500. That's because the first one we lost. I showed you guys we lost $1,000. It still hasn't updated. We lost $1,000 on the first trade that we took earlier on Nasdaq and ES, on NQ and ES, and we've just made $1,500. So that's that right there. And you can see the total profit. This is actually what we made today just now in that trade. And this is $1,000 we lost earlier. And this is what we just made, which equals out $500. So we are, like I said, $200 away from passing this challenge. Literally $200 away from passing this challenge. And then we will be fully funded once we pay for the verification. So you guys saw everything live, documented right in your faces. And one last thing, like I told you guys before, this is like the fourth time I'm telling you guys. This is exactly why. Let me actually close this out on here. So TP hit right there. This is actually why I mark up on the Forex side rather than the future side. You can see on Forex, price never hit my stop loss. I'll actually drop down to lower time frames. You can rewind the video, whatever the case is. I showed you every single move of this trade. Price came up, never took out the high that we initially had as our stop loss on the Forex side. On the Forex side, stop loss never got hit. But on the future side, we would have gotten stopped out if we did not move our stop loss up. You can see our stop loss was initially right here. Price hit it twice. Technically, price hit it twice. But because we moved it up to here, we did not get stopped out. This is just a sell limit that is on the market. That's why it's like that. Price did not stop us out because we moved our stop loss up here. And you guys saw everything. See, this is the entry right here. And these are the exit for the two trades, the two positions that we're in. The two positions right here. This candle tapped us out of the trade. Beautiful execution. So you guys saw everything from start to finish. Again, this channel is based on transparency. I'm going to show you guys every single thing. So hope you guys enjoyed this live trading video during Asian session, guys. Clap it up for me. Please hit the like button. This was during Asian session, guys. This was during Asian session that we hit this trade. This was during Asian session that we hit the trade, guys. So appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to hit the like button for winning this trade. See you guys in the next video.